Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your BNB from Phantom Wallet to Robinhood. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step. It's simpler than you think, and I'll make sure you avoid common pitfalls. Whether you're building your investment portfolio or just managing your assets, this guide will have you set in no time. First off, before we get started, let's cover the basics. You'll need a Phantom wallet with some BNB in it. Make sure it's funded and your wallet is securely set up. Also, have your Robinhood account verified and ready to receive crypto. This is crucial for a smooth transfer. Step 1. Open the Phantom Wallet app on your device and unlock it using your password, PIN, or biometric authentication. Security is key here, so double-check that you're on the right app. Step 2. Once inside, navigate to your Assets tab and select BNB from your list of holdings. Look for the Send or Transfer button. It's usually prominent and easy to find. Step 3. In the Send interface, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Head over to your Robinhood app, go to your crypto section, and copy the deposit address for BNB. Paste it carefully into Phantom. Always verify it to prevent any errors, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Specify the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on the network fees. They can vary, so choose a network like BNB Smart Chain for efficiency. Review everything one last time before hitting confirm. Step 5. Approve the transaction in Phantom. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and sign it. The transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. After that's done, jump back to Robinhood and refresh your account to see your BNB arrive. Pro tip. In 2025, always use a secure Wi-Fi connection and enable two-factor authentication to protect your assets. If you run into issues, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. There you have it. That's how you withdraw BNB from Phantom to Robinhood. This process keeps your crypto journey hassle-free. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.